How to fix the issue of 100% disk usage in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Start menu, search for Services, then click on Open. Shortly the service application will open. Here simply search for Connected Device Platform Services. Right-click on it, go to Property, and in Startup type, simply click on Disable. Then click on Apply and then OK. After that, in the Services again, go to Sysmin. If you do not find this option, you can simply find Superfetch. Again, right-click on it and go to its property. Disable this service as well. So these are the service which takes a lot of space on your disk and is not that necessary. So after you disable these services, you will be able to fix your issue. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.